Installation instructions for surface mount VALTO base. The following tools are needed for proper assembly.
Instructions to convert pendant to surface mount. First, loosen the front nylon screw, set screw, so that you can pull the cable out from the canopy. Next, we want to remove this front part from the canopy. Use a 5/8 wrench on the front and a 13/16 on the back. It should come off. Hold on to the washer and the M14 nut. Put aside the front part. We won't use that. Next is to remove the rubber back hemisphere. That should be able to unscrew, or it should just pop right off from the cable, like so. So slide it off the cable. Next, we have the 3/4 inch thread to the M14 thread adapter. Screw the M14 so it's almost flush with the bottom. Slide it through the cable. And now screw it to the back of the VALTO base. Do it so that it bottoms out all the way. And then make sure it's tight. Just use a crescent wrench to tighten it on just a little bit to make sure we have a nice tight fit. And you can see the part should bottom all the way to the bottom. Next is to put the canopy back onto the cable. And the M14 thread should come through the canopy. Put the washer and nut back onto the cable. Tighten down with the 13/16 wrench. And here we have it, a surface mount VALTO base.